Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm unboxing and reviewing the brand new Disney Store Wendy doll from Peter Pan. A while ago, the European Disney stores released brand new dolls for Megara, Esmeralda, Wendy, Alice, and Tinkerbell, and they are now available for the United States as well. Once they popped up online, I went right ahead and ordered Wendy, Esmeralda, Megara, and the Alice doll. I already posted my reviews for Meg from Hercules and Alice from Alice in Wonderland. And today I'm taking a closer look at Wendy. Wendy comes in this window style box that says it's the Disney's Peter Pan Wendy doll, and it has an illustration of Peter, Wendy, and her little brother flying across Big Ben with the Tower Bridge on the side of the box. Then there are some clouds on the side and the outline artwork of Wendy that really fits with the boxes of Meg and Alice as well. Then the back of the box is really similar to the other dolls too, with the mention of classic doll, some more images from the movie, including this really cool silhouette art of Wendy and her brothers flying through London, and then it has the retail price on the bottom, which once again is £14 or 17 euros. On the other side of the box, we see Tinkerbell and some other images from the movie. Just like I showed in my other reviews, these boxes are really easy to open with that easy to remove plastic cover. And that paper cover that you can remove to show all the tags the doll is secured with in the back. I really like to open the doll this way because I won't be able to accidentally cut the doll's hair or dress while unboxing her. Out of the box, Wendy looks incredibly cute with such a sweet face. The hair is styled with these curled front pieces that are really heavily gelled in place. And she has this side ponytail with these 4 ringlet curls. They actually aren't as perfect as I expected them to be, so I will be trying to redo this hair at the end of the video. Her face paint is really simple, but really cute. Wendy is wearing her blue nightgown with her puffed sleeves, blue bow in the front, and trim detail around the collar. The dress is all one piece and is very sparkly. The trim that we found at the neckline is also at the bottom of the skirt, which I really like. And as you can see, this doll does not have the flat feet, which I'm really happy about as well. Wendy is very similar to the new Alice in Wonderland doll with the same body type, and They Call Me Obsessed on Instagram also pointed out that these dolls do have the same face mold, which I do think is true looking at them side by side. In my opinion, they did do a great job in giving these dolls a completely different look with the face paint, as I feel like they do really look like 2 completely different dolls. If you want to have a closer look at the bodies of these smaller dolls, make sure to check out my Alice review for that. Then to restyle Wendy's hair, I start with separating those front sections, since I want to keep those apart from the rest of the hair. Then I also take out the bow she comes with, that's attached to a clear elastic. and I take out her ponytail as well. After that, I start wetting the hair to loosen up all the hair gel. When I feel like the gel is starting to loosen up and rinse out, I take my comb and start combing out each curl, creating this insanely poofy mess. As you can see, Wendy has a lot of hair. Washing out the hair also shows you the limited parting space that they gave this doll. To tame that hair a little bit, I wet it once again, with warm water this time to loosen up that curl a bit. As I was filming this video and Restyle, I did not have my straightener at hand, but it might have been really helpful to straighten out the hair with an actual straightener before starting the next steps. To create a hairstyle that looks a bit more intricate and more similar to the hairstyle Wendy has in the Disney parks and in the movie, I separated the frontmost rows from the rest of the hair and start by tying the hair in a medium-high ponytail. The ponytail I'm going for is a little lower than the ponytail this doll came with, but it's still high enough to show off that bow detail. Then I take that front section, brush it out really well, and twist it around itself. This creates a nice extra oomph and volume to a simple ponytail. I secure those two twists in place with that elastic that has the blue bow on it. As you can see, all the hair in the ponytail is still quite poofy and big, but I want to transform it into the perfect ringlets Wendy has in the movie. For this, I take small strands of hair and wrap them around straws. Then I cover each section with another straw that I cut in the middle to help the hair stay in place really well. Curling Wendy's hair did take me a lot of effort because of how much hair she has and because of how short the hair is. So if you want to recreate this look, please remember to take your time and stay patient. For the front pieces, I simply brush them back in place to have them in the style I wanted. After taking out the straws, I twisted a couple of the strands I curled together to get these spirals that looked pretty neat. I also really liked how the hairstyle looks from the top, because that really shows you that twisted detail. Then I simply had to take this doll to Disneyland Paris, where I was able to reunite her with Peter on the Peter Pan's flight attraction. I'm so excited to add Wendy and the other dolls to my ever-growing doll collection, and I'm really curious which of these new Disney dolls was your favorite. So make sure to let me know in a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see my final review for Esmeralda very soon. If you want to see more pictures of these Disney dolls, follow me on Instagram too, @thedollboy. See you next time!